In this video, you'll learn how to buy and sell cryptocurrency using the MoonPay app. By following these instructions, you'll be able to navigate the application and complete transactions efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to the MoonPay website. You will see the homepage, which presents options for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as a slow connection can lead to longer loading times. Once on the homepage, locate and click on the Home button. This action will refresh the page and ensure you are starting from the main interface. After the page reloads, you should see various options related to buying and selling crypto. Next, click on the Buy option. This will direct you to the section of the app where you can initiate a purchase of cryptocurrency. After clicking, wait a moment for the new interface to load fully. Proceed by selecting Buy Crypto. This option allows you to choose which specific cryptocurrency you want to buy. After clicking this, ensure the interface reflects your choice before moving on. Then click on Buy BTC if you wish to purchase Bitcoin. This selection will take you to the Bitcoin purchase page. Confirm that the page displays relevant information about Bitcoin before continuing. After that, click on Select Assets. This action will bring up a list of popular cryptocurrencies. You should see a variety of options available for purchase, signifying that the selection menu has loaded correctly. Next, click on Popular Tokens to view the most frequently traded cryptocurrencies. This will help you quickly find the asset you want to buy. Wait for the options to appear before making your selection. Then click on Bitcoin from the list of popular tokens. The interface should update to show Bitcoin's details, confirming your selection was successful. Now, type in the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Ensure that you enter a valid amount that aligns with the minimum purchase requirements. The app may display a confirmation message once you input the amount. After entering the amount, click on Continue with Bitcoin. This action will proceed to the next step in the purchase process. Wait for the confirmation screen to appear before proceeding. Next, click on Confirm Order. This step is crucial as it reviews your transaction details. Ensure that all information is accurate before moving forward. Following this, click on Buy. This will finalize your purchase. You may experience a brief loading period as the transaction is processed, so be patient during this time. Next, click on Pay With. This option allows you to choose your preferred payment method. Ensure that you have a valid payment method ready to avoid any issues. A message will appear prompting you to choose how to pay. Review the options carefully to select the one that suits you best. Click on Apple Pay if that is your chosen method. Alternatively, you can select debit card or credit card depending on your preference. After selecting your payment method, review the total to pay message that appears. This ensures you are aware of the total cost of your transaction. Next, click on Deliver To. This option allows you to specify where the purchased cryptocurrency will be sent. Make sure to check that your wallet supports Bitcoin to prevent any loss of funds. Then click on Make sure this wallet supports Bitcoin. If not, your crypto may be lost. This message serves as a warning to ensure the correct wallet is selected. Proceed by clicking on Enter or paste a wallet address. This is where you will input the destination for your Bitcoin purchase. After that, type in the wallet address you want to send the Bitcoin to. Double check this address for accuracy to avoid sending funds to the wrong location. Once you have confirmed the wallet address, click on Pay. This action will initiate the transaction and you should see a processing message. Now return to the MoonPay homepage. This will allow you to navigate back to the main interface to begin selling cryptocurrency. Click on Sell. This option will take you to the selling section of the app. Ensure the page loads correctly before proceeding. Next, click on Sell Crypto. This will direct you to the interface for selling your cryptocurrency for cash. A message will appear stating, sell your crypto for cash in a flash. This confirms you are in the right section to initiate a sale. Type in the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Make sure this amount is within the limits set accept by the platform. Then click on Review Order. This allows you to check the details of your sale before finalizing the transaction. Finally, click on Sell to complete the transaction. This action will process your sale and you will receive a notification upon completion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.